Greetings everybody, this is Nanda Kishore from Raga Foundation, and today I'm going to talk about a few supplements that I have for my aviary. As you can see, this is a well planted aviary. It is 22 feet in length, about 6.5-7 feet in width and 7.5 feet in height, and it took a long time for the plants to grow the way they are now. We have a big collection of plants which are safe for the birds inside, and we have diamond doves and we have Java sparrows in this. These are birds that tend to eat the seed whole without hulling it, like parrots tend to hull the seed and eat. So another thing is that they can't tolerate a lot of cold. They prefer warm climate, and now it's winter and our birds do feel cold in the middle of the night. So we have two products that I'm going to talk about that kind of help the bird sustain the cold. So this is the seed mix that we have. This is a seed mix from Varsalaha. So you can see we have all the small seeds, all the millets, the canary seed, a little bit of buckwheat here and there, Niger seed, hemp, so on and so forth. Some flaxseed also in that. So this is mainly carbohydrate, and the bird doesn't get a lot of oil or fat in it. The birds need a little bit of fat. So we have an oil here. It's a mix of different oils. It has omega-6, omega-3 fatty acids and so on and so forth. And this is it's called Ferti Plus oil from Petcare International. And we tend to add a little bit of oil to the seed mix, just a few drops, and then what you do is you mix it up nice and good. Initially you will find that the seeds kind of clump up, but eventually as the oil dissipates into all the seeds, it becomes a uniform mixture. Okay, it doesn't smell, it doesn't have very strong smell. In fact, it smells quite good. So the bird does not feel like it's eating something that it shouldn't be eating. So because the birds eat the seed whole, it's easy to supplement the oil. It is already coated around the oil, around the seed now. So it's easy for the bird to accept it. I mean, to eat the oil, whether it likes it or not, it's going to eat. So this is one way that you can protect your bird during winter, especially the small finches and doves and some soft bills and things like that. This is another product that we add. This is called Calci Grit. It's basically grit. So it's a stone, but you need to understand that most of these birds that eat seeds whole, their gizzard, like finches and things like that, their gizzard is not very strong. So when they eat the seed, the muscles kind of go in a clockwise, anti-clockwise movement, and they need some mechanical friction to break the seed into a powder for them to absorb all the nutrients. So because their gut lining is not very strong, you need to add this grit. It's basically sand-like product. Okay, looks like this. It's got rough edges, it's very rough. So what happens is the birds select the grit that they like, the stones that they like, and then ingest them. These things collect in the gizzard and then help in mechanical friction, and thereby grinding the seed for digestion. Now, one thing that a lot of people do is they leave the grit, and then the birds will quickly devour whatever they want, and then they leave a certain amount of the grit. They will not touch it again, and then people presume that, oh, I have provided grit and the bird will eat. What the bird is telling you is, I've taken away all the nice bits, what I like, the sharp ones, and what is left is not what I want. So throw it away or top it up with little more grit. Another thing that I do personally is I take charcoal, just simple charcoal, and then I put this into a mortar and pestle and then grind it to a powder. Okay, and then once you do this, you pour it onto this. Okay, Now you see this little dust, no, charcoal dust. This acts as a very good detox. You can remove the big pieces if you don't want to. Even if you leave them, there's no harm. You just remove these little pieces and mix it up. Okay, this acts as a very good detox for your birds. In fact, even for parrots, we leave a big piece of charcoal in their aviary so that the bird, if it wants to, it can chew on it. Okay, so these are the 2 hacks that I have for you today. I hope you like the video and do share it among friends. Knowledge is to be shared, not hidden. So I will have this here. Okay, well wedged into the tape. So the birds can start having that. We also have a little mineral block here so the birds can chew on it. Okay, I'll leave the grit at the bottom. Here you can see we already have some seed with some charcoal pieces. Whether the birds like to play around with it or not is yet to be seen. Okay. I hope you guys like the video. As I said, please share with your friends, various places, so that the birds are in good health. Now you're doing something nice by providing something good for your birds. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.